Hello everyone! Naku guys, panoorin natin tong videong to na kung saan ay matapang na kinumpronta ni MJ, isa sa mga DDS supporters, no? Sino to? Si Abante. Munti ko nang makalimutan si Abante. Ito guys, panoorin natin.
Wala akong fake news. Okay na, go Ginawa ninyo what? Ginawa ninyo poster girl ng fake news. Wala akong fake news kahit isa. How can you all do that to me? Wala akong mga connection. What is yun? Diba? Hindi kayo ako. Labang mo. Kasi yung katabay lang. Mamumukha for fake news, sir. Tama ba yun? Wala akong kahit isang fake news na binigay na ginawa. Tapos,
Comsec, please present the video.
Sa likod ng bawat viral post, may mga pulis at military daw na magre-resign dahil di na raw nila kaya. Patriotism may ass. Kayo kayang taksil sa bayan. Sa bawat papagat na naka-all caps.
The DDS of the Duterte diehard supporters are a large group of people in the Philippines. What's funny about them is that they are so gullible and effortless to manipulate. These DDS people need education. They need a lot of it. They believe everything the Duterte family says. They don't think at all.
90% of Filipinos exposed to political fake news. Only 0.1% can detect deepfakes.
Ang tanga ng gobyernong to.
I apologize for saying the word tanga in my post.
Kayong mga vloggers, wag kayong magbibigay ng opinion lang, impression ninyo. Ibigay nyo yung katotohanan, may dokumento kayo. Being the chairman of the Committee on Human Rights and one that's investigating, I am actually insulted with your state.
That is my truth. Those are my opinion. Anyway, again,
Ikaw ang sumuli, Mr. Chair.
Okay po, sir.
Ikaw ang sumuli.
My apologies. Yes. Okay. My
Sinulat
apologies.
mo yun eh.
Okay po. Tanga po ako, sir.
TRICOM, 19th Congress. The fight against fake news has begun. Pero hindi lang ito laban ng TRICOM. Laban ito ng taong bayan. Makiisa, makialam, manindigan.
I was forced to say sorry for something I did not want. And at that time, my mother was dying, so I had to say sorry. She just
Sir, kahit mamatay mo lang po, wala nagbabayad sa amin. Wala, sana hindi sa labas, hindi na kami. Wala naman palagi na meron kami nagbabayad sa amin.
Pinagkulong pa, pinasuhan nyo na lang kami.
Because sir, para sa inyo, this is another day at your job. Pero you've been affecting the lives of normal Filipinos. Like her, like some of us, we can take it. Like Trixie, she's a lawyer. But some of us are just normal people. Alam mo, sir. Pero sir, you chose to have this life. We are normal people na nagre-reklamo lang.
I'm here right now to just personally tell you na I'm sorry for offending you.
Naku, the damage has been done. I'm sorry.
That's all, sir. Sorry for calling me tanga.
Well, in that investigation,
Sorry for giving me an option to either get detained or...
Actually, a blanket statement on as just saying it is in public. But you know, siyempre is a more of a burst of yeah.
Maybe someday, sir, sa ngayon, hindi pa. I just hope we all get what we deserve in this lifetime and next, sir.
Ito na yung pagkakas mo yan,
Like I told you everything I want to tell you earlier, kung gaano kasama yung loob ko sa inyo, and like I told you, if I can sue you all for what you did, I would. But it's just that you're all immune. That's it. But I hope you don't do this to other Filipinos.
No.
Don't do it anymore to other Filipinos. Tama na yung ginawa niyo sa akin.
I'm not used to do it with any. It is just an investigation into the nation.
To you, it's just an investigation. But to us, it's our lives that's been shattered. We were shamed. We were discredited.
I'm also a victim of so many bash.
We all got bashed.
I'm victim of so many.
You could have just talked to us and asked us, but hindi sana ganun, sir. Anyway, it's already there.
Nako, yun na nga guys. Grabe no. Sobrang tapang ni MJ. Wow, grabe. Pero guys, sa tingin nyo, talaga bang totoo na yung mga sorry nyo dyan? Kasi para namang sobrang nanggagalaiti kayo during the investigation. Sobrang grabe. Grabe talaga yung mga ano nila, no? Yung mga hirit nila during the investigation. Tapos ngayon, sorry. Nako. Grabe. Kaya talaga, nako, totoo talaga yung sinabi ni MJ na sana we will, na, sabi niyo, mayayari sa atin ng deserve sa atin this lifetime. Oo, natalo na nga yan si Abante. Kaya, nakuha na niya yung deserve niya. Talaga, buti na lang hindi sinabi ni Abante yun, no? Na opo, nakuha ko na po yung deserve ko. Natalo na po ako this election, oo. Grabe yung mga ginawa nila, no? Tapos, wala palang, hindi lang naman sa, alam mo yung, napahiya kasi grabe yung mga balita. Alam mo yung mga balita, yun lang yung pinakita talaga. Yung mga part na talagang kinawawa sila na nagsusorry, umiiyak. Yun talaga, highlight ng mga balita yung kay MJ tsaka kay Crisette. Kasi kay Joey, palaban si Joey eh. Wala talagang makakaano kay Joey, grabe. Kaya guys, nako, sana naman ata linawin nila kung ano talaga yung fake news. Pati opinion, fake news na pala ngayon, pati yung opinion. So wala nang freedom of speech kung ganun. Kasi hindi ka na pwedeng magsalita kahit ayaw mo sa kanya. Public, guys, pag private citizen naman, yun talaga, libelous yun. Pero public official, hindi nagugustuhan ng tao yung ginagawa mo as an official. Siyempre, may right, di ba, magbigay ng opinion. Pero ngayon, ayaw na nila. Kaya guys, anong masasabi nyo? Don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everyone. God bless!